Today we're in the Sharjah markets. Take a casual stroll. Suss out the older side of Baghdad. Very packed and busy. Look at the streets filled with cars, bumper to bumper. We're gonna go to the blacksmith markets. Suss out some of the old stores there. Been to stores open over there for over 100-ish years. So yeah, it'll be crack to see. I kind of like the vibe straight out. You can see like the old buildings, very nice. Really busy streets. I don't know, a certain vibe to it, it's very, very nice. I've also just been informed by my grandma that my grandfather, my late grandfather that passed away very recently, he had a perfume market here, a perfume shop. So we'll try to find that as well. It would be nice to go and see where the old man used to work at back in the day. All imports that come from Turkey, China, all other nations that work with Iraq come to this market here. So everything here is a lot cheaper than other regions in Iraq. Well, supposedly it's cheaper, but who knows? I haven't really sussed out any of the prices yet. So even if you're a potential, if you want to make a potential business, this is a lovely place to come find your supplier. You know, get your good stuff so you can start your own business, that sort of thing. Because yeah, there's a lot of high quality stuff being sold here from all over the world, from China, from Turkey, etc, etc, etc. So where I was walking and I stumbled upon this wallet. Like, you know what, I want to buy it, bro. It looks nice. I don't know, even in the center part is like that, but I'll stitch it up and make it look nice. But yeah, it was only $1, so I was like, bro, might as well. Anyways, we have arrived. That looks beautiful. There's all the supplies, I'm assuming gas supplies and that sort of stuff here. I'm gonna try to look for the blacksmith section. Look at these canes. Yeah. So we're on an old man, short. The old mate working here as we speak. Yeah, beautiful swords here. You saw that from Joe? Oh my days. You got old katana blades, zulfiqars, khanjars as well. Hit my head. No tambourine. Look at the quality on that. Yeah, your old teapots as well. I want you to take a fat guess how much these prices are. This right here, bro, $35. $35 for this mad hectic zulfiqar, and look at the finishing on it as well. Like it's full proper. Yeah, and these katanas as well. These nice blades. It's sharp as well. Oh my. Yeah, I'm not gonna open that. I don't want to cut myself by accident. Full katana, it's full sharp. For $80. And you got these old classical swords as well. This was $50, he told me. This was around, I think, 50 as well. You saw the prices, and when I went Najaf, the guy was telling me 200 or some shit. It's like $35-50 here. Beautiful. There you go, beautiful. I want to buy the 3. I want to buy a Japanese style, one for my brother. I'm taking the silver and gold. With the 3 swords, he's gonna count it for 120,000 Iraqi dinar, which comes around to say 80 to 90 USD, which is a bargain. I bought fake Japanese swords in Japan for like $250, and they know you're a foreigner. It's not like they don't know I'm a foreigner, bro. Look at me. From head to toe, I'm just like someone from outside here. But they don't take advantage at all. أقول لهم على العراقيين شلون تعرفون أنا مو من البلد يعني جاي وهيك شغلات بس ما تغشون بالسعر. لا أبد. إيش عاجبك يعني ماكو غش بالسعر يعني؟ ما نقدر. هو سعر واحد يعني ما عندنا تفرق احنا يعني بالأجانب أو غيره يعني ما عندنا. لا الدول الغير. بالعكس احنا نستقبله ونطيح له بالعكس مو نفس العراق. العراق جزء قصبر. I'll definitely probably come back to this store. Go suss out more of the market. $30-50 for authentic proper sword, and they're sharp as well, bro. I almost cut my hand opening up that katana, swear to God. But sure, this is mad aesthetic as well. I need to whip out the camera and take this few snapshots as well. Bit of a side note as well. You know, I absolutely can't stand that Drew Binsky fella. Tell you why? Because, bro, the bloke walked through here on one of his videos, and the guy acted like someone was after him 24/7. I've done my head in. No one's after you, mate. No one gives that absolute shite about you. 4.5 million people do, but you know, bro, too much. He overdid it. Like he acted like he turns a corner and it's gonna be like a bomb or something, bro. Done my head. Nice plates as well. Jadura. Hey, look at these, very beautiful, mashallah. You set up Joe? Yes, sure. Look at these as well. So nice. I don't know, my feet is a bit tight still. Wow. These are full proper as well. Wow, look at that, mashallah. Look at that, man. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. Loki want one of these for my room. You know, I don't know. It's a nice style. Got the Kaaba here as well. Nice jigger. Oh yeah, but it's all like beautiful handcrafted designs. يجنن والله. يجنن ما تاكل المكان والله. كلش حلو. هذني صناعتهم من العراق كلهم؟
عراقي.
كلها بالايد مسويها لو؟
كلها بالايد هاند ميد.
ما شاء الله. الديزاينات مالتك؟ شوفتهم قلت لهم هاي الديزاينات مال الصومالي.
الاثار مالتهم كلش حلوه. بالشمال اثار وبالجنوب اثار وبالوسط اثار.
ايش قد صار لك هنا؟
ابن عن جد.
والله؟ يعني فترة؟
اي
ما شاء الله يعني.
كنا جهال كبرنا
لحد الان، يعني ايش كم سنة قول؟
عمري كله.
عمرك كله، وقبلك ابوك كم كان هنا؟
ابويا وجدي.
ما شاء الله، يعني اكثر من 100 سنة قول.
اكثر. شوفك سيرتيفيكيت مال جدي. من باستراليا من قد؟
مولود هناك اني.
امك وابوك عراقيين؟
عراقيين اثنيناتهم.
شو اسمك؟
احمد صالح.
شوف سيرتيفيكيت.
كذا certificate of registration for dealer from يا سنة هاي؟
20 March 1918.
1918 right here. ما شاء الله.
And here the signature of the British government. Here the name of my grandfather, Haji Sadiq ibn Ja'far. And this is the address of this shop, Ras Al-Jisr, Souq Al-Safafeer. This paper antique.
ما شاء
The
الله.
old of this paper more than 106 years.
That's insane. Well, that's crazy يعني ما شاء الله يعني. ما عندنا هيك يعني بدول هناك باستراليا. استراليا هي اصلا صار 100 سنة.
لا احنا هذا محل موقف به مالتنا صار له 150 سنة.
والله ما شاء الله، والله كلش حلو يجنن.
طبعا
I want to have to purchase something from here, bro. This is amazing. Over 100 years old. And this is like just one market, one shop.
You see this is here small plate. This plate old and the work new.
New, huh?
Our civilization at the north of middle and south of Iraq. Here Hammurabi, first person in the world, put the law. And here the golden harp, first machine for music in the world. The old of this is more than 3.5 thousand years. And here is the Lion of Babylon. You can go to Babylon and see it. And here the two tree. This is in Basra. This plate meaning Iraq.
Very, very beautiful. Showcases all the most important parts of history. The golden harp, one of the first musical instruments ever made. You got the Hammurabi, the guy that made eye for an eye, tooth for a tooth. One of the first laws, and yeah, we saw that the other day. رحت لها هذاك اليوم من بابلون. كلش حلو يجنن ما شاء الله.
All of this handmade. See, this is a tray for tea, but I change it. Here samara. Is it for samara?
Yeah, صاديها بس.
صاديها? Yes.
لأن ترميمات قاعد يسوون بها.
And here Namrud, the north of Iraq, south Mosul.
You can find it in Nineveh, I'm pretty sure.
This is destroyed by Daesh.
There's still a few. I think there's two. There's two left, but yeah, the majority of them, all the structures got destroyed.
And this is Namrud in Iraq and in Iran. The Iraqi 5 legs and Iran 4 legs.
4. Why?
I don't know.
Fair enough.
Namrud and the Lion of Babylon. North and middle civilization.
Two different civilizations, right? This one's
different.
Assyria and the other one Babylonia.
Different at the same time.
At the same time. Very
the
beautiful.
Iraq civilization at the north and middle and south.
Beautiful.
This is your country.
That's my country. Very rich history, mashallah.
This is the same thing. This is in 20,000. This is 25 actually.
25.
Because they're bigger and different things. Here the map of Iraq.
Yeah.
And Samarra, the golden harp and the lion of Babylon. I engraved بلاد الرافدين.
بنو هذا؟
بلاد العراق.
بلاد.
Another name of the Iraq. بلاد ما بين النهرين أو بلاد الرافدين.
حلو.
For married.
لا for married إن شاء الله later بس لا no girlfriend right now. ما يردوني البنات هسه. ما أدري ما يردوني.
ليش
هناك شوية صعبة بالأستراليا البنات يعني. إيه شوية صعبة.
ليش صعبة؟
شلون أقولها يعني ما يعرفون شردن ويلعبون هواية ألعاب وهيك شغلات يعني مو مثل هنا بالعراق البنات شوية لا من البداية يقول لك شو تريد الولد هم من البداية يقول لك شو يريد بس هنا يلعبون هواية يعني شغلات
يتونسون
يتونسون هيك عندهم الشغلات
شوف أنا ببالي يعني تاخذ واحدة مثل هاي this is for كحل
for كحل yes for eyeliner
I can open it from here and by the woman.
Beautiful. Maybe for my future wife or something, inshallah. He was showing me this guy here, one of these
شوف
customers.
أنا هذا هو ولد إنجليزي إجا راد صديق هذا صنعته وين؟ قلت له هذا صنعته بالعراق. قال لي بالعراق معقولة؟ قلت له بالعراق وبكربلة.
حلو. ايش عجب كربلة؟
اكو معامل مال صب هنا. قلت له هذا مسوي بوكس صدام حسين. قال لي معقولة أنتم العراقيين هيك؟ يعني ماذا اسوي لكم؟ لانه اللي نعرف عنكم شويه متعصبين هيك الشغلات ما تسوون.
صح. في
حين هم جماعتنا العراقيين كانوا يسوون شمعدان يهودي، الشمعدان مال الاسلام، مال صبه، مال المسيح.
ما عندهم مشكله.
ماكو مشكله.
والصح من كانت هنا ببغداد كان قاعدين اليهود والمسيح وهيك شغلات قبل شوي.
اليهود والمسيح والاسلام وعلاقاتهم كل زين.
فماكو مشاكل بهذني الشغلات ابد.
There's no problem.
There's no problem in Iraq because in Iraq they have hundreds and hundreds of different ethnicities, people from different religions and all that sort of stuff. The media may tell you otherwise, but it's not true whatsoever. Beautiful history, beautiful story, mashallah. Touching stuff really. Over 100 years is insane. I think I'm walking down the wrong alleyway. This may be the wrong way. There's nothing wrong in exploring the area, mate. Even though this is giving me a bit dodgy vibes straight up. Beautiful. Beautiful. So the markets are closing now. It's around 2-3 o'clock. So yeah, every place is going to start closing soon. But beautiful, beautiful place. I hope I gave you guys a fraction of the beauty of the place. You definitely need to come for yourself. Because genuinely, this place is it's like a blast in the past. You know, it feels like you go back in time 50-ish years, and very, very beautiful, mashallah. So yeah, highly, highly recommend you guys coming. Come see the beauty for yourself. Come see these markets that have been here for hundreds and hundreds of years, passed down from generations to generations. This is going to be the end of the video. So we'll see you guys in the other video, inshallah.